A major U.S. tech company is paying $15 million to resolve discrimination claims tied to COVID-19 vaccine mandates. This case highlights what happens when accommodation requests are denied at scale. The employer is a global technological company operating in 12 states, specializing in electronics and computing services. While the company is not named here, the scope of the case impacts a large workforce across multiple locations. In 2021, employees filed charges with the EEOC alleging discrimination. The claims focused on a class of employees, meaning this wasn't just one person, but a group affected by the same policy decisions. According to the EEOC, the company denied requests for vaccine exemptions based on religion and disability. These requests were tied to sincerely held beliefs and qualifying medical conditions. The EEOC also found that some employees were terminated after refusing the vaccine when their exemption requests were denied. This escalated the issue from accommodation concerns to potential unlawful job loss. Under Title VII, employers must accommodate sincerely held religious beliefs unless it creates an undue hardship. Under the ADA, the employer must also accommodate disabilities unless doing so significantly disrupts business operations. There is no exception to these protections, even during a public health crisis. The EEOC made it clear there was no pandemic exception to civil rights laws. Employers are still required to evaluate accommodation requests individually and lawfully. To resolve the case, the company agreed to pay $15 million to affected employees. The agreement was reached voluntarily without admitting liability to avoid prolonged litigation. The company must now revise its policies, provide annual training on religious and disability accommodations, and report compliance to the EEOC for 3 years. These changes are designed to prevent future violations. At TaylorMade HR, we break down real workplace cases so you understand your rights, especially when it comes to accommodations, policies, and protection under the law.